guys suck. Now I'm going to make grilled cheese.
Imagine the
Dude,
Australian ones.
all I want to do is eat grilled cheese now.
I'll still try to reduce the delay.
Shiny Spearow! Son of a bitch!
Oh my god.
Damn it! Yeah!
Second.
Yeah.
That's second. That's second. That's the best I've ever done, but son of a gun. Oh,
I
alright.
have to see your reaction.
Alright, this is my new...
That reaction! You're just so mad at it.
Damn it!
Yeah, maybe it is my hole. Maybe.
Alright, check out this new sweet Smeargle, though, because I got 2 perfect shiny Smeargles now. Red, you nerds!
Salt.
Alright.
My Vullaby hated me. I tried for like 130 eggs. I gave one to Sempin because she said she'd offer to help. Within 26 eggs or something, she got a 6 IV.
Nice.
Close my why you hate me. Of course
Alright.
I'm salty.
Alright. I'm gonna catch it.
It's
What do I catch this in? What do I catch this in? Give me a ball idea. It's like
That's the first time. Oh, that's the first time Adam is faster than I am.
no, I beat you before, but this is
You did?
Yeah, but that was, to be fair, that we were going for like 7th and 8th place.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is the first time I've ever got above 3rd even.
It's a shame you didn't catch it 12 before, because then I have the perfect nickname for it.
Okay. I don't get the joke. I'm trying to think of what ball to catch this in.
Let's just say Spearo's number is a
A
me.
nest ball?
It's still pretty brown though, man. It's like Glad green. It's weird.
When in doubt, Premier Ball.
Yeah, or luxury ball, depending on the color of the Pokemon. In that case,
That's
it's
so gross. Ew, it's like puke green, man. But Glad, I can't.
What's a shiny?
Oh, Maho has a point.
What?
Ball?
Quick Ball's blue. Quick Ball is like solid blue. Yeah, not Quick Ball. Dusk Ball is like...
Just for the animation, I like Dusk Ball. Because it's entering.
I don't care about that because I'm never going to throw it in battle. I'm going to throw a Dusk Ball.
Shiny, but I'm never going to use it.
I'm not. It's because it's in the box forever. There we go. I got it. Alright, I need nicknames. Nicknames for a male Spearow.
21.
But it's 33.
But its dex number is 21.
Alright, Spearow.
Nah, I'll leave it up to chat.
Not how
turn gained 300.
Don't worry, I'm
My
gonna
turn
continue.
gained 333. You caught it on chain 33. Illuminati confirmed.
Yeah, no. Grilled cheese in grilled cheese.
Plus one always names their Pokemon after food.
I'm okay with that. Grilled cheese. That's happening. It wasn't. You named yours first place? Wow.